Just a couple of days are now left for the launch of Realme 5 series in India, and as I talked about in my previous video about the Realme 5, the phone is coming with Snapdragon 665 SoC and will be priced under Rs 10,000 in India. Now we know that Realme 5 Pro has a quad camera setup as well with a primary 48 megapixel camera, but one thing that we did not know till now was if the Realme 5 Pro has an in-screen fingerprint scanner or a rear-facing one like Realme 5. Today we got the answer to that question as the first hands-on image of the Realme 5 Pro leaked, revealing the rear of the phone. This image showed up on Weibo, and as we can see there is a vertically placed quad camera setup. Now the fingerprint scanner is also present on the rear, so this means we won't get an in-display fingerprint scanner like the Realme X. Now this also means that we might get an LCD panel with water drop notch instead of a full screen design with an AMOLED panel. That's not surprising since Realme X lineup is for the premium features like full screen design, pop-up selfie camera, in-display fingerprint scanner, etc. In fact, the Realme X series is soon getting a high-end device with a 64 megapixel camera. Talking about the SoC that powers the Realme 5 Pro, there is still confusion if we are getting Snapdragon 710 or Snapdragon 712. Now Snapdragon 710 powers the Realme 3 Pro as well, so going for the same SoC won't be a good move. Recently, the Geekbench listing of Realme 5 Pro revealed that it has Snapdragon 710, but as per a lot of trusted sources, there is Snapdragon 712. As for the difference between the two, the Cryo 360 CPU of the Snapdragon 712 is clocked at up to 2.3 GHz, whereas the same CPU of Snapdragon 710 is clocked at up to 2.2 GHz. So yes, that's the only major difference between the two. The Realme 5 Pro is going to launch at a price around Rs 14,000 in India since the Realme 3 Pro recently got a price cut and is now priced at Rs 13,000. At that price, it will definitely kill the competition that includes phones like the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So what do you think of the Realme 5 Pro and its design? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.